So first of all, I would really like to thank CXO TV to organize this event. She was really very up to the mark, and also the leadership team at OpsTree who has been able to conduct this event very fantastically. Most of it, learning the quiz way was really very interesting, and on top of it, the product which they have to sell, I think if that hits the market, it would be really a game changer and a disruption. So I think that product is really good. I have checked the demo entirely and it is 100% customizable. So I think good job from the leadership team as well as from the CXO team. So definitely it would be AI, but along with the AI, the modernization and the disruption would be the key thing, as AI is now becoming a competing thing in the entire finance industry. So would like to see that modernization happening very fast, so that the disruption would be the key focus, so that we hit the market with various products and we be the first to hit that market. And right from the start till the end, they were absolutely fantastic and they were really supportive over here, and would really love to have more engagement with the team. The CXO TV team has been doing a great job. Kudos to the entire team of CXO TV. Watch me on CXO TV. Thank you.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.